Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be about how to disable your Twitch account on Windows 10. So that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to disable our Twitch account. Alright, so it says here, open and log into your Twitch account. Okay, click on your profile icon on the upper right hand corner, and then from the drop down menu click on settings, and then it says scroll down until you see disabling your Twitch account, and then it says click on the disable account page. Okay, so that sounds easy enough. Alright, so let's head on over to our Twitch page. Okay, now I just want to let you guys know that I'm not going to disable my Twitch account. All I'm doing today is to show you guys how to disable it. Alright, so we got our avatar right here. Okay, and then scroll all the way down until you see settings. And then after that, you should be on this profile page. And then scroll all the way down until you see this right here. It says disable your Twitch account. This one right there. Okay, so all you have to do is just basically hit this one right here. It says if you want to disable your Twitch account, you can do so from the disable account page. Okay, so all you have to do is just click on that, and then it's gonna say all you have to do is just tell them why you're gonna disable your account. All you have to do is just say something like I no longer stream on Twitch, or something like that. So yeah, this is a pretty basic tutorial today. So all you have to do is just hit disable account, and then you should say yes or no. So there you go. Now you know how to basically disable your Twitch account on Windows 10. Now if you guys want to see more videos like these, all you have to do is just basically hit like and subscribe for more tutorials. And I just want to say thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.